Millions of drivers hit the road every single day without realizing the hidden features built into their own cars. And here's the most impactful part. There's a function that can easily save you from a repair bill of over $3,000. And chances are, you're completely ignoring systems designed to prevent serious damage. Today, you're going to discover 18 automotive secrets that almost nobody talks about, but they can seriously protect your wallet. Don't skip any part, because this could save you from major headaches. Let's get started. Secret number 18. Windshield wiper service mode. Picture this. You take your car through an automatic car wash or leave it parked overnight during freezing weather. The wipers are stuck to the glass, risking damage, or even breaking entirely. But there's a maintenance position designed specifically to prevent that. Most modern cars have this feature. You turn off the ignition, and within about 10 seconds, push the wiper stalk downward. That's it. The wipers move up and stop in a vertical position, like they're in inspection mode. And this isn't just some engineering gimmick. When wipers are stuck to the windshield, especially in cold conditions or with heavy dirt buildup, the motor can overwork and burn out. Depending on the car, that repair alone can easily exceed $200 to $800. And there's more. This position makes replacing wiper blades much easier. No forcing them, no risk of scratching the glass. Now get ready, because the next one can literally save your life. Secret number 17. Seatbelt energy management loop. Have you ever noticed a section near the seatbelt latch with a different kind of stitching, almost folded or layered? A lot of people think it's a defect or leftover material. It's not. That's a critical safety system. This loop is engineered to tear in a controlled way during a severe collision. When your body is thrown forward, the forces involved are massive. This system allows the belt to give slightly, just a few millimeters, to absorb part of that energy. Without it, the seatbelt would lock completely rigid, significantly increasing the risk of internal injuries. And here's something almost nobody knows. It's a one-time use system. If it activates during an accident, the entire seatbelt assembly must be replaced, even if it looks fine. That's why after airbag deployment, technicians always recommend replacing the belts. In other words, you're using a system every day that could be the difference between walking away or not. Now let's move to a feature that protects your car without you even noticing. Secret number 16. Hidden battery protection mode. You leave your headlights on, interior lights running, and think, that's it, tomorrow the car won't start. But many modern vehicles are designed to prevent exactly that. After you turn off the car, a timer kicks in. For about 10 to 30 minutes, some systems remain active: radio, power windows, interior lighting. After that, the vehicle automatically shuts everything down. And this isn't just about convenience. A fully drained battery suffers internal damage and can permanently lose capacity. Some advanced systems go even further, monitoring voltage in real time. If the charge drops too low, the car starts shutting down non-essential systems one by one. Heated seats go first. Then the infotainment system. But the priority remains keeping enough power to start the engine. Now here's a simple trick that solves a very common daily problem. Secret number 15. Hidden automatic locking feature. Have you ever walked away from your car and thought, did I actually lock it? There's a way to eliminate that doubt completely. In many vehicles, if you press and hold the lock button on the driver's door for a few seconds before exiting, you activate an automatic mode. You close the door, walk away, and the car locks itself. Depending on the model, it may also roll up the windows and fold the mirrors automatically. It's perfect when your hands are full. Groceries, phone, backpack, everything at once. And you get confirmation too. A quick horn beep or flashing lights telling you everything is secure. In practice, this saves you from going back 2 or 3 times just to check. Now here's something so simple it almost feels fake. Secret number 14. Adjusting washer nozzles with a pin. Is your windshield washer spraying in the wrong direction? Too high, going over the windshield? Too low, hitting the hood? Most people think they need a mechanic. But you can fix it in seconds. Look at the washer nozzles on the hood. you'll see a tiny hole. With a pin, needle, or even a paperclip, you can adjust the spray direction. Just insert it carefully and move it slightly to redirect the jet. Result: the fluid hits exactly where it should. And this works even on newer systems, including heated nozzles. Some cars even have dual jets per side, allowing more precise coverage. Now pay attention to this next one, because it's literally inside your trunk, and almost nobody uses it. Secret number 13. Hidden trunk hooks. You load groceries into your trunk, and at the first turn, everything goes flying. But many cars come with built-in hooks specifically designed to prevent that. They're usually located on the sides of the trunk or near the rear seat backs. They can be fixed, retractable, or even sliding along rails. These hooks hold shopping bags in place, preventing them from tipping over during the drive. And it's not just for groceries. You can use them for backpacks, tools, delivery bags, or even dry cleaning. It's a simple feature, but it solves a problem almost every driver deals with. Secret number 12. TPMS reset, the button almost nobody uses. Every modern car sold in the US comes with a tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS. When tire pressure drops below the recommended level, you'll see that warning light on your dashboard shaped like a horseshoe with an exclamation mark. So far, so good. The problem starts when you inflate your tires correctly, and the light stays on. That means the system hasn't been recalibrated. In practice, it stops monitoring properly. You're basically driving blind, not knowing if your tire pressure is actually safe. The process is simple. First, inflate all 4 tires according to the specification listed on the driver's door sticker. Then locate the TPMS reset button, usually under the steering wheel or inside the glove box. Press and hold it until the light blinks a few times. After that, drive for about 10 minutes above 30 miles per hour. The system recalibrates and goes back to normal. And this makes a real difference. Incorrect tire pressure can increase fuel consumption by up to 3% to 5% and accelerate uneven tire wear. Now pay close attention, because the next feature can actually catch you off guard right when you need your car the most. Secret number 11. The traction control trick. Traction control is one of the most important safety systems in any modern car. It prevents wheel spin on wet pavement, mud, or sand by cutting engine power and applying brake force individually to each wheel. In most situations, it's your best friend. But there's one specific scenario where it becomes your worst enemy: when the car is stuck. If you're trapped in mud, sand, snow, or even on a loose gravel incline, the car actually needs the wheels to spin a bit to build momentum. But traction control detects that as loss of grip and immediately cuts power. The result? You press the accelerator, and the car just refuses to move. The fix is simple. Look for the button with the slipping car icon or the label ESC, Electronic Stability Control. Press and hold it for a few seconds until the system is disabled. Now the wheels can spin freely, giving you a real chance to get out. Once you're unstuck, just turn it back on. In many vehicles, it automatically reactivates when you restart the engine. Now you know how to get out of a bad situation without embarrassment or paying for a tow truck. But the next mistake is even more expensive, and most people make it without realizing. Secret number 10. The correct jack points. Here's a classic scenario. Flat tire, you pull over, grab the jack, and place it under any spot that looks strong enough. You change the tire, drive off, and weeks later, a costly structural issue shows up. That happens because cars have specific reinforced, designed to support the jack. Ignoring them can bend the frame, damage the underbody, or even affect alignment. These points are shown in the owner's manual and are usually marked by small notches or arrows along the lower edge of the body, near the wheel wells. Some vehicles even have visible reinforced sections exactly in those areas. The best move is to learn this before you actually need it. At home, calmly, it takes 2 minutes. On the side of the road, in the rain and under pressure, it becomes a problem. And here's an important fact. Structural damage can easily exceed $2,000 to $3,000 depending on the vehicle. Now let's move to a feature many people think only exists in luxury cars. Secret number 9. Hidden valet mode. Surprisingly, many vehicles, even more basic models, come with something called valet mode. This system allows someone else to use your car normally, but with important restrictions. Depending on the model, it can lock access to the trunk, glove box, and even limit top speed. Originally, this was designed for parking valets. But in real life, it's perfect when you lend your car to someone, or when a younger or less experienced driver is behind the wheel. Activation varies a lot. It could be a dedicated button, a setting in the infotainment system, or even a key fob combination. And the best part? It's already built into your car. You're not paying extra for it. Now get this, because it's incredibly simple, yet almost nobody uses it. Secret number 8. One-touch function for all windows. You probably already know the driver's window has a one-touch feature. Press once and it goes all the way down. But what many people don't realize is that several cars allow you to activate this feature for the other windows too. And in some cases, it's already there. You just never tried it. The process varies, but in many vehicles, you just hold the window switch fully pressed for a few seconds. That teaches the system and enables the automatic mode. Try it later. There's a good chance your car has had this feature all along. And it completely changes everyday convenience, especially for passengers. Now the next feature turns stressful situations into something much easier to handle. Secret number 7. Hill Start Assist. You know that classic situation. Steep hill, traffic stopped, you release the brake, and the car starts rolling backward. Even experienced drivers feel the pressure there. But many modern cars have a system that holds the brakes for a few seconds after you release the pedal. Just enough time for you to accelerate smoothly. This system is called Hill Start Assist. It works automatically and uses ABS sensors to keep the car stationary for a short moment. The result: no rollback, no panic, and no risk of hitting the car behind you. And here's the interesting part. Many people use it every day without even realizing it's working in the background. Secret number 6. The hidden tow hook that can save your car. There's a strange-looking metal piece sitting in your trunk toolkit. Most people have no idea what it's for. But that's your car's screw-in tow hook. On the front or rear bumper, there's a small plastic cover. Remove it, and you'll find a threaded socket. That's where this hook goes. And this isn't just for extreme situations. It's the correct and safe point to tow your vehicle without causing damage. If someone attaches a strap to random suspension parts or the chassis, like a control arm, the risk is huge. You can bend components, mess up alignment, or even damage the paint. This hook is mounted directly to a reinforced structure designed to handle high loads. Track day drivers use it all the time. Professional tow operators rely on it. And now you know exactly how to avoid unnecessary damage. Now let's move on to a feature you've probably used, without even realizing it. Secret number 5. Retained accessory power mode. You turn off the engine and suddenly notice the window is still open. Or maybe you want to finish listening to a song. And even with the car off, everything still works for a few minutes. That's not a coincidence. This system is called retained accessory power. In virtually every modern car sold in the US, after you shut off the engine, certain systems remain active for a short period. Power windows, sunroof, infotainment. Typically, this lasts a few minutes or until you open the driver's door. And it's designed for real-world use. You park, remember something, close the window, finish a call, all without restarting the car. Here's an interesting detail. If this feature suddenly stops working, it could be an early warning sign of a weak battery. Now pay attention to this next one, because it completely changes how you drive in traffic. Secret number 4. Tap-to-signal turn indicators. Have you ever noticed the turn signal blinking a few times even when you didn't fully engage the lever? That's not a glitch. It's called the lane change feature. Just tap the turn signal lever lightly, without locking it in place, and the car will automatically blink 3 to 5 times. It's perfect for quick lane changes or minor adjustments in traffic. And the best part, You don't need to cancel it, and there's no risk of leaving your signal on. This feature is standard in most vehicles built after 2010. But a lot of drivers have never used it, simply because they never tried. Now here's a trick that feels like something out of professional driving. Secret number 3, manual traction control using the brake. You're stuck, one wheel is spinning like crazy, and the other isn't moving at all. That happens because of an open differential. It sends power to the wheel with the least resistance, which is the one slipping. But there's a simple technique to fix it. While gently pressing the accelerator, lightly tap the brake pedal. This creates resistance on the spinning wheel, forcing the system to transfer torque to the opposite wheel, the one with grip. In practice, you're simulating a limited slip differential using the brakes. And it actually works. Whether it's a front-wheel drive car stuck in mud or a rear-wheel drive car spinning, this trick can get you moving without needing help. Now let's talk about a hack that solves one of the most hated modern car features. Secret number 2, how to bypass the start-stop system. Start-stop was designed to save fuel, but in real life, a lot of drivers find it annoying. The engine shuts off at traffic lights, restarts constantly, cuts the AC, and sometimes it causes more frustration than savings. But there's a lesser-known workaround. Shift the transmission into manual or sport mode and select a higher gear. You're not actually driving manually, but the car interprets it as a request for full control. In many models, this automatically disables start-stop. The result, the engine stays on, throttle response is immediate, and driving feels smoother in stop-and-go traffic. On top of that, you reduce wear on the starter motor and maintain constant oil flow, especially important in turbocharged engines. Now for a simple feature that's incredibly useful in everyday situations. Secret number 1, headlights as temporary path lighting. You park at night in a dark area and need to see your way to the front door. Your car can handle that for you. After turning off the engine, just pull the high beam lever briefly, like you're flashing someone. In many vehicles, this activates the headlights for about 30 to 60 seconds. That's enough time to safely light your path. Some models even let you adjust this duration in the settings. Others activate it automatically when you lock the car. And the best part, the lights shut off on their own, with no risk of draining the battery. Beyond convenience, this adds an extra layer of safety, especially in poorly lit environments.